Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Today we present to you Celina Smith. She's an American social media sensation who's rapidly growing a big audience. In this video, she is modeling for the Black Tape project. Her outfit is made of tape and studs. This was at Miami Swim Week in July 2022. Her time on the runway went viral and got loads of attention. People even made reaction videos about it, commenting her shapely figure. If you like our videos, let us know. Liking, commenting, and sharing this video will help us create more content for you. Oh hey! Check out this other video. You will surely love it.